Back here in the Highway Forever project. I knew it was going to be just a matter of time before I start figuring out what the hell I'm going to do with that cigarette lighter. It's like you don't use it at all, and I already have my accessory plugs here. So I decided to get a LED lit double USB charger. I'll put a link at the bottom of the description. This thing costs pennies. Alright, so we're going to install this bad boy instead of that. Alright, so first thing we're going to take out the lighter. There's a few ways how you do this. This is how I'm going to do it. I'm just going to grab it here from the inside. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to splice the wires there, and this came with a supplied wire, so this goes into there, and then I'll just splice these on the end.